Hello everyone, I am Dr.A.NAGALAXMI, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance in Dr. S.N.S.Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see a concept called as branch accounting in accountancy. First we should know what is branch accounting. Branch accounting is a bookkeeping system in which separate accounts are maintained for each branch or operating location of an organization, typically found in geographical dispersed corporations, multinationals, and chain operators. It is allowed for greater transparency in the transaction, cash flows, and overall financial position and performance of each branch. Branch accounting is a bookkeeping in which separate accounts are kept for each branch or operating location of an organization. Technically, the branch account is a temporary or nominal ledger accounts lasting for a designated accounting period. Branch accounts can also refer to records individually produced to show the performance of different locations with the accounting records actually maintained at corporate headquarters. However, branch accounting usually refers to branches keeping their own books and later sending them into head office to be combined with those of other units. What are the rules of making records in branch accounts? So this is an important concept to be discussed. What are the rules of making records in branch accounts? Branch accounts is debited with the opening balance of cash and further some sent by head office to branch. At the closing time, branch is credited with the closing balance of petty cash. Thus, the petty expenses are automatically charged to branch account. So, what are the important points to be noted at the time of preparing branch accounts? Branch account is a bookkeeping system in which separate accounts are kept for each branch and operating location of a organization. Technically, the branch account is a temporary or nominal ledger account lasting for a designated accounting period. Branch account provides better accountability and control since profitability and efficiency can be closely tracked for each location. Branch accounting has a long history going back to the Venetian Bank of the 14th century. Next we should know some typical features of a branch. So a branch is not a separate legal entity. It is a part of the foreign based company. A foreign company may also have one branch in Sweden. The foreign based company shall appoint a managing director to run the business activities in Sweden. The managing director represents the branch and is responsible for the registering the branch with Bolagsverket. A branch is subject to Swedish law and the decisions of Swedish authorities regarding legal matters in connection with its business activities in Sweden. How branch accounts works. So in branch accounting, each branch that is defined as a geographically separate operating unit is treated as an individual profit or cost center. Its branch has its own account. In that account, it records such items as inventory, accounts receivables, wages and equipments, expenses such as rent and insurance, and petty cash. Like any double entry bookkeeping system, the ledger keeps a tally of assets and liabilities, debits and credits, and ultimately profits and losses for a period. Technically speaking, in bookkeeping term, the branch is a temporary or nominal ledger account. It lasts for a designated accounting period, and at the period's end, the branch tallies up its figure and arrives at ending balances, which are then transferred to appropriate head office or head department accounts. The branch account is left with a zero balance until the accounting process begins all over with the next accounting period or cycle. Branch account methods. So there are several different methods for keeping branch accounts depending on the nature and complexity of the business and the operational autonomy of the branch. The most common includes data system, income statement system, stock and data system, and final account system. So these are a short description about branch accounting. Thank you for patience listening.